Health app not tracking steps on iPhone. If your health app is not tracking steps on your iPhone, don't worry, I'll show you some easy fixes to get it working again, so let's get started. The first and simplest fix is to restart your iPhone. This refreshes your system and can solve small glitches. Just press and hold the power button plus volume up or down button and slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. If motion and fitness tracking is disabled, your iPhone won't track steps. Just go to settings and simply find privacy and security. From there, go to motion and fitness. And make sure fitness tracking is on. Also, ensure health is enabled on the apps that can access fitness tracking. Let's check if step tracking is enabled inside the health app. Open the health app, tap on browse and simply click on activity and simply go to steps. Just scroll down and check if show on dashboard is turned on. Next step is to check iPhone sensors. Step tracking works using your iPhone's motion sensors. If they're not working, your steps won't be recorded. Open the compass app and check if the level tool works. If the motion sensors are not working, try resetting all settings. And that's it. These are the best way to fix the health app not tracking steps issue.